What's up guys, the Tech Spot here, and I got a comment saying to make a video on how to watch YouTube on your Apple Watch. Alright, so to start with, this is not the Apple Watch Ultra. I just put a case on it to protect it. So a lot of videos on YouTube don't actually work. For example, this one where you hold down the digital crown and then say, open youtube.com.
I found this on the web.
It'll say open page, and over here, when I go to play a video, I can see the player is not supported. Alas, fret not, as I have a working method. So, first things first, open up the Apple Watch app and make sure your Apple Watch is synced to your iPhone. Then, open up the App Store and search for an app called WatchTube. If you scroll down, this is the one that we want over here. Now, I'll also put a link to this app down below in the description. Now, here you can see that shows screenshots of YouTube playing on the Apple Watch. From here, go ahead and download and install it. It'll say get. For me, it says purchased, and I can't really seem to tap on it. But anyways, a quick workaround if you do encounter this issue is just to use a different Apple ID, and you guys can see now I can install it. So again, we do get this pop-up saying that the app is only on the Apple Watch. Just say okay and it'll start installing. After it is installed, now on your iPhone, you can open up the Apple Watch app, scroll down, and you guys will see WatchTube. Now again, do not remove it. Otherwise, it does not let you reinstall. Plus, I don't see why you would want to remove this. It's so cool. From here, now let's go on our Apple Watch, and if I go to the apps and scroll all the way down, you guys can see there is the app icon for WatchTube. I'm going to tap on it, and right off the bat, it does open up YouTube. And look at that, we got the GTA 6 trailer, so I'm going to go and play this. You can hear the audio too.
It's no exaggeration to say we've waited years for Grand Theft Auto 6's first trailer, and now it's here. 90 seconds of Vice City, packed full of criminals.
And if you do not hear any audio, click on the side button on your Apple Watch. It'll bring up the control center and simply make sure your watch is not on silent. The Apple Watch does have built-in speakers. It's like watching YouTube on your iPhone, except just with a smaller screen. Oh, and you can use a digital crown to increase or decrease the volume, which is so cool. And now I'm watching some Logan Paul, Jake Paul, all of the Pauls. And if you tap on the settings icon, you can see the information or description of the video and also the comments. You can also click the like button, which you guys should definitely do below this video. Now, if you swipe right, you can search anything on YouTube and also see your recents. So I'm going to type in the Tech Spot. But yeah, this is so cool. Now I'm playing my own videos on my Apple Watch. That is absolutely amazing.
What's up, guys? The Hack Spot here.
Swipe right again, you can also see your history, library, and liked videos. Swipe right again, and over here you can enable the Flick Type keyboard so you can make typing easier with swiping. And if you scroll down, you can change the homepage content from default to curated. And scrolling down a little more, you can clear searches, history, and library. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe for much more content. This is the Tech Spot. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.
Look, lately I went missing with no permission, it's part of it. I've been working harder than competition from start of it. Now they looking at me, I see them all through the